looking at himself, naaawayan niya yung sarili niya. Hello, baby. Awayin niya kasi tumitingin siya sa salamin, aawayan niya yung sarili niya. Oh, shit. Don't leave daddy there because it's Father's Day instead of abandoning your tatay. Sige na, you go there. Go there, go to tatay na. Dito siya na-miss niya ako eh. I was in Bicol for like more than 1 week. Keep coming back there. At ito ngayon nangungulit siya like, Mama, I miss you. I miss making kulit with you. Sige na, go to tatay na. You're abandoning. My daddy said, my family abandoning me. Inabandon na mo daw siya, Matso. You better go to tatay. Dali. Ay! Inaaway lang niya yung sarili niya sa salamin. Sabi niya, kamukha ko to ah. Ay nako, you go to tatay na, bebe. Oh, so mama's boy. Go to tatay na, oy. Oh, it's Father's Day. Why abandoning daddy? It's so messy. He's like, fucking hell. What my mother do here? Much? How much? Ay, go, hoy, you know. Macho,